Hello YouTubers, it's Arena here. Welcome back to my channel. It's called Wine and Only. So I look at those colors. They're so beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer because I don't have any primer. And if you are new to my channel, welcome everyone. I just started this YouTube channel actually, and I want to go for more simplified looks, not so much like contour and like baking and like always having to have like mascara or even eyeliner. Yeah, and I mean, all of that is really great, and you know, you can create some beautiful looks, but I definitely am more of like the kind of makeup that I can wear out if I'm going, you know, out in public, in the grocery store, hanging out with friends. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Misha lip color. Misha is a Korean beauty website, and I bought this color. It's like a very orangey, warm orangey color. So let's see how it looks when I apply it here. Oh wow. Applying the concealer makes it look a little bit lighter because I have used this before and it doesn't look this light. Wow, this is a beautiful, it's like a scarlet bright color. I love it. I really love it. Okay, I love this color actually with the concealer. Really love that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette, an eyeshadow brush here, but I feel like it doesn't work as well as my fingers, so we'll see how, you know, how this whole look comes to be. But I definitely want like a bright summer kind of look, so I might actually go use my Sailor Moon palette also to try to achieve like the summer brighter Twilight Flash, which is like a peachy tone kind of color. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it at the bottom here actually. Can you guys see that? Let's see. It definitely is like a super light color, like you guys can barely see it, but that's okay because it's still there. Even though you guys can barely see it, we know it's still there, so it's going to create dimension. And I'm gonna go in with Silver Crystal, which is like another, I guess you could say like super light color, but this one has more of a shimmer. But I'm gonna go in with Moon Castle. I'll go in here, and then I'm gonna move on to this side here and do the same thing. Try to blend that out as much as I possibly can. Yeah. There is some fallout, but I don't really mind that too much because I can go in and fix it in a little bit here. But you guys can see like the fallout. Can you guys see the fallout there? There. Oh, this color is just gorgeous. So like beautiful. Shining Moon. I'm gonna go out with it like here. Ooh, this is like a nice brow bone kind of color. So I'm gonna apply it there. Then the other side here. god, this makeup palette is so summery. I love it. Cast a Chateau. Oh, that must be a wine. That must be like a wine drink, right? Yeah. Oh wow. Wait, can you guys see that? Ooh, it's like a pinky color. Wow.
I feel like I'm like always amazed by these.
In here, it's this color right there, but it doesn't look that cold. It has like the red undertones. Interesting. Oh, that is very interesting that it has the like shining red undertones. So it's not like a gold because I did think it was gonna clash. Oh my god, you guys, I'm messing myself. I'm gonna go in with the Sunshine Moon. Oh, can you guys see that? It's that color there. And I'm gonna go in here. This is more like a sheen shimmering color. Okay, so yep, that brightened it a lot. I want to go in with a sparkling color. Definitely feel like I'm gonna need a sparkling color, so and I think I need it like here. What's happening? Is anything happening? It's like very subtle, you guys. Okay, you guys can see it's sparkling a little bit more now, right? So with this, I'm gonna go in. Oh, this is definitely a little bit higher shine, you guys. Do you guys see that? Definitely gonna be careful not to get that inside my eye. Oh, eyeliner is so hard for me. That's why I kind of don't wear it much.
Yeah, does that work? Does that work okay? I mean, I know right there I kind of messed up, but
I think that's it for this makeup look. What do you think? Do you like it? I mean, I think it definitely looks not like a fall kind of makeup, more like a summer kind of makeup, or like the transition. So overall, I really like it. I mean, look at those colors. And you know what? I kind of want to be a little bit fun right now and see what it would look like as a fall. So let me actually get in here. Oh my god, it's so natural. I love it. But let me actually get in here and darken it up to see what it will look like for like a fall kind of look, because I really haven't guys enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh, like I can't believe like that I never tried ColourPop eyeshadows before this week, but like look at this eye color. It's amazing, and I just had to try it and, you know, play with it a little bit more. So thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I do more of like simplified makeup looks, not anything too crazy, not anything that requires like concealer. Well, actually, yeah, I did put concealer, but not anything like contour or blush. Like my makeup look is pretty simple. Okay, thank you guys so much. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.